Oh my god!
Oh, Chelsea!
On to the next place in the Highland of Java. Destination to the fine heart of tradition, cultural heritage, and a place I've heard so many wonderful things about.
5D. Looking hello there. Oh yeah. It's mine. Hello, sorry.
How did I get here? Only time like this, I get to reflect on the vast scale of cultural reality of Indonesia. You either have it fast or slow. Sit back and enjoy the slow or fast changing scene.
Train doors before the train completely stops. Thank you for choosing train services from Indonesian Railways Company. See you on your next trip.
As the train simultaneously come to a complete stop.
So we're going through trains to exit. How cool. Such a cool way of entering Yogyakarta. I'm here and I'm headed to my capsule and that's where I'll be staying. And then you see this, so cool. It's a motorbike and basically they don't need to pedal anymore. This sort of thing you can find them in Vietnam, like here in Yogyakarta. Something different, something to be admired. A little bit tired, not gonna lie to you. Long ride, 7 hours, 25 minutes. Man, that was the longest train ride I've ever taken. It's absolutely mad. Oh cool, the rickshaw and the holster as well, so it's absolutely interesting to look at. Alright, almost here.
Staying at the capsule, Maryleborough for a night, and my anxiety level increased. Welcome to my uncomfortable ground, sharing a small space with total strangers. Yeah, Japanese style capsule hotel, let it be silent. Tap your card to unlock, step inside your card, light on, pan around, feeling of being in space, free toiletry, bottle of water, compatible TV, fruity on, incredibly small, incredibly spectacular ring light, but yes still I feel uncomfortable. Stepping outside.
I'm gonna jump on this thing here, it's a rickshaw. Alright, so I gotta put that thing on, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it helmet?
On, yeah, open.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's for you. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So that's for him. Alright.
One thing is you can be certain about Yogyakarta is it's an historical and breathtaking city. And the best way to get around the city I suppose is jumping on this. What is this by the way?
Alright, we're going there. So it says 25,000. Here we go. It's my first time. Hello. It's my first time. Oh, I'm getting a front view, mate. Look at this. Look at me. I'm rolling in the street. In the street, boy. You know, and in this thing, so no one can stop me. I run this town. Yogyakarta, you haven't seen a black guy like this before, huh? And I got my driver right there. Look at him. Is that a cool guy? So what else do you want, man? This is a fantastic experience.
Jalan Malioboro is a major shopping street offering some unique experiences, street food, energetic and vibrant scene.
Potholes and ate. They should fix it. No ate. They should just fix it. There's someone actually singing over there as well. So basically, when you come to Indonesia, you have to get accustomed to that. Guys begging, of course, and because I got over there, it's performing, right? Just coming around with a box or a hat, and then people tipping. You know, look at this one here. Hello, how are you? So I'm in this thing here, rickshaw. Surely it's sick. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You know, you don't see this in the UK. Impossible, mate. Impossible. Hello, young lady.
Oh wait, is this guy taking me on a loop? Going around the wrong directions. I think I just got played.
The thing I'm on right now. Oh my god, same color, everything, same. Yeah? Look here, yo Jakarta, here I am. Hello, yo Jakarta, hello! Hello! Oh man.
Near Kraton.
Alright, so basically you got to be careful with these guys though. It's like they can be yeah, a bit of a scammers. Well basically I think I just got scammed really just now by, you know, by just being stupid, you know. Yeah, I think I'm standing right next to one right now. I think it's a motorbike being transformed into that, you know. So yeah, lesson learned, and I think I wouldn't do it again.
Maybe he misunderstood my request. Maybe language barrier in play. Maybe to play it safe, calling on the good old Gojek to the rescue. You come to Yogyakarta, there is a dish in mind every outsider must try. A foreigner like me, of course, all the way in. A popular restaurant, famous for its iconic dish, an exceptionally good one.
Okay. That's a spicy one, yeah? Wow, thank you. Terima kasih. Calm music playing, of course, it's not good for YouTube, so that means I have to be quick, precise, straight to the point, right? So the dish is called gudeg. The restaurant, of course, is the name of the dish, and they had a bit of some more words. I think it's called segen, and yeah, so I think I'm saying their name completely wrong. But yeah, gudeg segen is a traditional dish here in Yogyakarta. So basically, I got it on my table right now here, and I suppose this one is the chicken breast. That's right. And you got this thing I have no idea about. Oh, come on, get away from here. And then this bit, it's spicy, right? So they put on a different plate for me because I've been warned. If you eat it too fast, you will die. Man, no joke, man. When Indonesians say like it's spicy, it's really spicy. Let's try this bad boy, right? Oh, that was so sweet. This brown thing here, this one here, someone please help me. Is that a beef? Is that a sweetened beef? Oh
No,
days.
no,
It's so
no.
sweet.
It's not a beef.
So succulent.
Far from being a beef. So sweet, so sweet, so good, so sweet,
delicious.
exceptionally good.
Oh, let's try this chicken. Oh my god. This is something. This is splendid. Wonderful stuff right here.
Trust me, it's one of those dishes, ingredients so special, black man from the far southeast of London enjoy very much. Trust me, this shit is so good, and people clear the plate the second it comes out, because it's heavenly delicious.
spicy stuff, right? Ah. Oh, so spicy. What a dish, man. Absolutely sick. This place is super famous. And I think online the rating is about 4.6. And hence why it's a lot of customers, you see them on the right, they're walking in right now. The music stopped playing. I can hear myself. Why the music was playing? It was a little bit distracting, it's too loud, you understand? But they didn't make this place for vloggers to come and say, you know what, shut the music so I can record my videos. No, these people, they want to make money. They're banging out some delicious food, and it's so cheap. For 35,000 Indonesian rupiah for this delicious traditional dish, you gotta love it. It's a magic, a plate of wonders. Basically, I'm in a la la land of food. Yeah.
Food in Indonesia is so marvelous and made with love. Indonesia could easily be a superpower. First night in Yogyakarta, far from over.
Sheku? That's right. Heading to Lumpia, Lumpia! Yeah, let's go. Get some food.
Arrive at Lumpia, and this guy, this incredibly joyful guy, a Chelsea supporter, could easily be my new best friend.
What team you support? Oh, come on, man. You can't support Liverpool. Chelsea all the way. All the way.
At this point, it's all about good vibe, good energy, good vibe only at this local place.
See, like, basically it's so friendly here. Wow, I can't believe it. So this is the iconic Lumpia. Wow, he's the roller. Where do you come from? England.
You eat here now?
I want to try, yes.
Okay.
Yes, please. Okay. I can come and sit down. Oh, yes, please. Yes, cucumber, please. Thank you, this place. So friendly here. So friendly. Love it. Chelsea. 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 You eat it all the time. I know you're eating all the time, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah? All right. So there we go. So we got this thing here. Oh, it's actually crispy. It's cracking. It's cracking. Ah. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. My god. It looks so little, but it's so spicy. Very, very chilly. What? Lord of mercy.
Lord of mercy indeed. This shit is freaking spicy. This, for sure, is a no-go zone.
My little country here, I like to joke around. I like to make my videos a little bit different, right? I'm having the best time of my life so far in Indonesia. The people I've met in this place are just sublime. You know, of course, in my videos, I like to put some comedy, you know. Of course, the guy that actually on this place, he's a Chelsea guy. Say hello.
Chelsea guys.
Come on. Come on. Best club in England, yeah?
Oh, the best.
Yeah, but we're not playing good though. Anyway, so yeah, this one, let's try it. Let's try it. This one will be the last bite off camera, and then I enjoy this moment to myself, right? Oh my god! Of course you got the chicken. Oh, I'm sweating from this chili. This is so spicy, but you know what? For the sake of this video, I'll get it one more time. Out of 4 spice, I can only finish 1. That's to show you how spicy this thing is. I can only finish 1. I can only finish 1. And the guy was telling me, like 3 you'll be strong. No, I can't do that.
Only one.
Only 1 I can do. So he's the roller, right? And she's the fryer. Yeah, you're the fryer.
Normally in the morning, people queue in line to taste this delight and snap it up the moment it comes out.
It's a chili, yeah. You should have told me. No, it's not good. Yeah. Oh my god. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going.
Ain't nobody need to be scared.
The effect of that delicious spring roll, I suppose, driving me insane.
Hello. Yeah, good guy. Good guy. What a guy.
First night in Yogyakarta, a success. This is the Indonesia I subscribe to. An exceptionally marvelous one. For now, I'm extremely knackered. See you in the next chapter. Subscribe to the good stuff.